Yo, what's up? It's Calvin. Just got my hands on the brand new NerdOCTaxe 13.8 terahash Hydro, fresh from the manufacturer. And right now, this is our highest hash rate Bitcoin solo miner, period. So today, quick sneak peek. Design, size, real power draw, temps, noise. Let's get into it. First thing you'll notice, the 3.5-inch screen, a step up from the 1.9-inch on earlier units, with dual fans front and back keeping things cool. Size-wise, next to the air-cooled 12 terahash, pretty close, 13.8 terahash a little bigger, and with that water cooling setup on board, is noticeably thicker too, officially rated at 230 watts, meters showing 298.2. That's a real gap, about 68 watts over spec. We'll break down what that means for your build in the full review. Thermal cameras showing 18 to 65 degrees at the main chip, that water blocks earning its keep. Noise-wise, 55 decibels up close, actually a touch quieter than the air-cooled 12 terahash. And just for scale, next to a Winnie the Pooh water bottle, this thing's actually shorter. Overall, solid build, honest specs. I'm impressed. What do you guys think? Drop it in the comments. Oh, and before I forget, use code Kelvin10OFF for 10% off as a new customer, and we'll bump you up to premium for free. No extra charge. That's hash rate tuning plus pool and wallet setup done for you. A $30 value. You'll also get a 2% cash rebate after your order. Just hit the link in the description or pinned comment and enter CALVIN10OFF at checkout. Go grab it! Full unboxing and deep dive review of the NerdOCTaxe 13.8 terahash Hydro is dropping soon. Make sure you're subscribed so you catch that. Hit the like button, share it with someone who needs a miner, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace!